Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Drive. Today we are going to learn about enum in Java. And enum is a special data type that enables for a variable to be a set of predefined constant. You should use enum anytime you need to represent a fixed set of constants. So let's see how we can create and use enum in our program. So to create an enum, type enum. Now I'm going to name it as weekdays because I'm going to store weekdays as constants. Now it is recommended that we name constants with all capital letters. Now to separate two constants we can use comma. I think that will be enough for demonstration. Now let's see how we can access these constants inside our main method. So to access our enum we need to write the name of our enum, which is weekdays, and now create a variable equals, and then again type name of our enum, and here you can see the constant that we have just stored in our enum. So let's say I'm going to select Sunday. Let's print this. So here you can see the output. We can also create methods inside our enum. And we can access the method that we have just created using this var. Let's run the program. Till now, enum may seem like a class, but the difference between enum and classes is that enum cannot be used to create objects and it cannot extend other classes. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.